Welcome to Tech Tutor Hub, your go-to place for clear, simple tech tutorials. We are diving in one of the key concepts of electrical engineering, the delta connection. Whether you are a student, technician, or just curious about how electrical systems work, this video is for you. Delta connection. A delta connection, also known as mesh connection, is a type of three-phase power system where the three phases are connected in series, forming a closed loop representing a triangle or delta. A delta connection is specially used in three-phase electrical system where power is transmitted and distributed using three AC phases. Closed loop. The key characteristics of a delta connection is that the three phases are connected end to end, creating a closed loop. This loop is shaped like a triangle, hence the name delta. No neutral point. Unlike a star connection, which has a common neutral point, a delta connection has no such point. Line and phase voltage. In a delta connection, the line voltage, each voltage between two lines, is equal to the phase voltage, the voltage across each phase. Line and phase current. In a delta connection, the current flowing in the line is root 3 times the phase current, the current flowing through each phase. This is a delta connection system. To obtain delta connection, A2 is connected with B1, B2 is connected with C1, and C2 is connected with A1, as shown in above figure. The three conductors R, Y, and B are running from the three junctions known as line conductors. The current flowing through each phase is called phase current, denoted as IPH, and the current flowing through each line conductor is called line current, denoted by IL. The voltage across each phase is called phase voltage, denoted as EPH, and the voltage across two line conductors is called the line voltage, denoted as EL. Relation between phase voltage and line voltage in delta connection. Applications. For induction motor, it is used for torque generation and high power output. Data transmission is mainly used for balanced to unbalanced loads. Used for balance three-phase loads like heaters, large machines, and compressors. And for high power consuming device where all three phases are utilized. Transformers are used to step down voltage from transmission to distribution levels. Reduce conductor size. In delta connection, line current is less than phase current, allowing similar conductor size. In some cases, it reduces cost. Advantages: one, continuity of service. Even if one phase is lost, the system can continue to operate in an open delta configuration. No renewal required. Higher efficiency for motors. Shares balance load. Suitable for heavy load. Delta connection system does not provide any neutral point. It is complex to find a fault in delta connection system. There is a risk of voltage imbalance in delta connection. It is not ideal for long distance. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel Tech Tutor Hub. Our next topic will be zigzag connection system.